Hello, on this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to create team-based learning sequences using the LAMS TBL Authoring Template. First thing to do is to go to the new menu and click on Use Templates. In there you will see the Learn Design templates available. First one that you see there is the Team-Based Learning Template. Let's click on it to get started. On this template you'll see a 4-step process. First is an introduction that shows you the Learn Design, and then the Learn Design details, questions, and the application exercise. Included here, there's all the steps that this Learn Design compromises of. Now let's get started with the first step. In here we get to name our sequence, and in this case let's call it My First TBL Lesson. Second is the groupings. There's 3 ways to do grouping. In this case we select the teacher's choice, in which we allow the teachers to select which students go into each group. In this case we created 5 groups. Now let's get started with our RAD questions. In here we can make use of the HTML online editor to add any type of media we want. We can add pictures, emojis, or any type of video you like. In this case we'll create a question, which is what is the capital of the United Kingdom? And now we add some options. You can create more options if you need to, just by clicking on the Create Option button. If you wish to create another question, you can also click on Create Question to get another question happening. Now let's go to the next step. In this last step, we are creating the application exercise. In this case, it's a simple essay question that the students would actually need to answer. Note that you can create as many questions as you like as well. Now let's click on Save to complete our sequence. Now once we have created our sequence, we can actually see the actual Learn Design that we created just now. Now we can verify that all the settings that we have set up during the wizard are reflected in the groupings, the IRA and the TIRA, as well as the application exercise. Note that after you create your sequence, you can save it, and now you're ready to go. Additionally, you can change your Learn Design and not just use what you get in the template. For instance, in this case, I'm adding a peer review activity. Alright, that's it folks. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video.